Good morning, traders, and welcome to Data Call today, Friday, the 9th of February. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Okay, let's have a look at what's happened overnight, and all the data was basically from the UK. And as we predicted at the start of the week, the UK monetary policy statement and inflation reports would be the most volatile. And definitely they did not disappoint, with the cable jumping a whopping 200 pips at the data release and a change in the tone on the monetary policy to a more hawkish stance. The Bank of England's message is that they now feel there may be 2 rate hikes for 2018, upgraded from previously only 1. So cable GBP USD had a very wild night last night. It did jump up significantly, but towards later in the session it did pull back, almost giving back all those gains. Alright, time now to have a look at our chart of the day. The chart that I found for us today, incidentally yesterday's chart did not trigger, so it's a no chart effectively. So I've got a new one for us, and today we are looking at the GBP AUD on a daily time scale. Again, there was no actual setups ready to go for us this morning, but this one looks like it could potentially be a double top. Again, remember, I had an email from someone earlier in the week asking me why don't I just take the trade right now, and the answer to that question is because right now I don't know if it's going to be a double top. Only after the market retraces back that I can come back and see that it's a double top. So if today's candle, for example, just continues to go up and I took a trade now, I kind of look a little bit silly and it wasn't a double top. So at the very least, what I have to wait for is price action confirmation, which is a reversal pattern, to happen at this point. And if I do get a reversal pattern, it definitely increases the probability that it will become a double top, and so it justifies the trade down. So there you have it. Add this one to your hot list, GBP AUD on a daily time scale. Okay, what's happening in the final session of the week? We have at 11:30 this morning from locally from Australia, the RBA monetary policy statement is coming out. At 8:30 tonight from the UK, we have manufacturing production numbers, and then the last significant data for the week after midnight at 12:30 from Canada, employment change and the employment rate. So that's a big one for any CAD traders. Alright guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you on Monday for the Daily Call. Bye for now.